How to block a contact on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Now, go to the chat of the person you want to block. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, select More. Then, tap the block option. Read the condition and confirm by tapping block again. The next process to block a person is by going to the WhatsApp settings. From here, go to the privacy. Scroll down until you see contact option. Tap contact. Go to the blocked contact. Here you will be able to see the add icon. Tap on it and select the contact you want to block. And that's how you block a contact on WhatsApp in 2 ways. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.